Generally, an accomplice, that is, a person who assists in the planning of a crime and provides aid or encouragement in the commission of the crime, may be guilty of the crime itself. In the old 1891 case, State v. Hayes, the Missouri Supreme Court considered whether a person could be liable as an accomplice when the person committing the crime, otherwise known as the principal, lacked the necessary mental state to be liable for the crime. In 1886, Addison Payne Senior and his son Addison Payne Junior owned a general store in Boynton, Missouri. In addition, Addison Payne Senior also had a stepson, William Hill, who worked at the general store. In May of 1886, a man by the name of Hayes told Hill that they should break into the general store's warehouse and rob it. Hill agreed, but secretly notified a few members of the Anti-Horse Thief Association, as well as Payne Senior and Payne Junior, of Hayes's plan. About a week later, Hill met Hayes about a half a mile away from the store. At the time, members of the association hid in and near the store for the purpose of capturing Hayes and Hill. At about 11 or 12 o'clock at night, Hayes and Hill walked to a window of the warehouse, and Hayes raised the window and helped Hill climb through into the building. Hill then handed Hayes a piece of bacon weighing 45 pounds through the window, and Hayes placed it in a sack. Hayes then assisted Hill out of the window and picked up the meat. As the two men began to leave, they were stopped by the members of the association. They then threw down the meat and began to run away, but were captured a short distance away from the store. Subsequently, Hayes was arrested and charged in State Circuit Court with burglary and larceny. Following trial, the judge instructed the jury that Hayes could be found guilty of burglary as an accomplice if the jury found he assisted Hill in entering the building, even if Hill himself had no felonious intent to commit a crime inside. The jury then found Hayes guilty of both charges, and he was sentenced to 5 years imprisonment. Hayes appealed to the Missouri Supreme Court.